Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Java in the Mac operating system, and for that I have created a GitHub wiki page for doing the setup and installation of Java in the Mac. So I'll share this link and I'll share the video to YouTube. So let me check what is the current version of Java I have in my system. So for that I need to open terminal. So let me open a terminal. Currently I have Java 1.7 in my system. And same version Java 1.7 as the default version is set up in my system. So I'm going to install the 1.8. So let me download the 1.8 version. So let me accept this. And download this DMG file for installing the 1.8 Java. Okay, and it's installing now. The download is completed. Let me open. So double click on that kit. Continue. Install. It's asking the password. With the password. Okay. Installation is completed. Close this one. Close all. Now let me check what are the versions are installed in my system. So again, let me go to the terminal. Now it is showing 1.7 and 1.8 both. Check the version, current version. So Java version, it's showing 1.8 as my current version. Now I am going to show you how to create that Java home path variable setup in Mac OS. So I'll go step by step and I'll show you. So for that, first we need to open that bash profile file. So for that I will open a terminal. Okay, so like with the commands like vi dot bash profile, so nothing is there. So I'm going to set the following two lines in that file, and I'm going to add these following two lines in that file, bash profile. So first I need to, from command mode I need to go to insert mode, so I have to press I. Now I'm in insert mode, so let's copy this one and paste it here. So I want to see JDK 1.780 as my uh, Java home setup, and for that I have added this two line and I have commented that 1.8.0 181 version, and I uncommented this one JDK 1.7.0.80. So currently I have JDK 1.8.0181. This is the version I have as my Java default version. So I want to make 1.7 as my default version. So I commented this 1.8 version and I uncommented this 1.7. So in this way I can keep n number of Java versions, and I can keep one as an active and others and not active. Okay, so now let's save this file. So the file is saved, and now I have to check the Java version. So currently it is showing 1.8.0181 because after changing the properties, I mean bash profile file, I need to restart my system. So I'm going to restart my system. Now I have restarted my system, and let me check the version of Java now. State. Yeah, now it is showing 1.7.0 instead of 1.8.0181. So let me check my Java home is also set or not. So dollar Java yes, so this is also set here, and let me check what is the Java versions for this Java home. Use this script. So here also it is showing 1.7.080, sorry. So my Java home is also set, and Java version. Everything is now set to 1.7 version. Thank you.